Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the Member Timezone setting. For that, come up to the side menu, click on Settings, and under the Member and Roles, click on Member Timezone. This settings allows you to change the roles, the time zone of your specific members. If you don't need the exact time zone in your system, then you have to select the nearest city with the same GMT code. Here, for the organization level of the settings done, you can just click on this button to have it enabled from no to yes. If you wish to do the individual setting against each member name, you can select from here. If you select yes, this gets enabled, and from the drop down you can select the time zone whichever is applicated to that specific member. You can filter the data from here. You can filter the data of the different time zone from here. And then you can even click on the search to have the data search or a member search from the specific setting. This is going to impact in all of the timesheets or the activity percentage, all of the modules inside your organization. This was all about the member time zone. Thank you.